Yeah, so today we're taking the pirate ship up to Catalina. We're gonna buzz some bison. That'll be fun.
Catalina traffic, Cessna Sky 734 November Kilo is 4 miles to the southeast, inbound, full stop runway 22. We're going to fly overhead at about 3,000 feet, do a left descending turn to the traffic pattern altitude 2500 to enter the right base runway 22. Catalina traffic. Alright, doesn't look like there's really anyone there. One plane in there. There's usually these Cessna caravans that come in for supplies, so you see it, that little white things like those cars, little buildings right there on that side. Those guys are usually just stocking shit in there.
Star 9 is directly over Prado Dam, 1,100 feet. We'll be transitioning north-northwest.
I don't see any traffic around.
Yeah, definitely a great place to have a boat out here. You know, kind of cruise around it, pulling these.
Twin Harbors is right down there. We can, when we take off, we can actually fly around that little spot.
Catalina winds will light out of the west.
Awesome.
Twin Harbors. They, is it actual
Traffic, sure, Star 9, a mile and a half southwest of the airport. We're going to transition just northwest of the airport. Corona.
Right.
You have a marina over there?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, Twin Harbors.
I see some boats.
Right, we're going to do one little turn here.
Houses down there.
Catalina traffic, Cessna Skyhawk 734 November Kilo is on the right downwind runway 22. Catalina traffic.
I would so pass out in the.
What's that?
What do they call that thing with the G's?
Oh, yeah.
I would so pass out in that.
We're a little bit far away, that's okay. Catalina traffic, Cessna Skyhawk 4 November Kilo, turning right base runway 22, Catalina traffic. Catalina traffic, Cessna 172N, November Kilo, turning final, runway 22, Catalina traffic.
A little bit high.
Yeah, it's at an incline.
We're going to drop pretty fast right now. Power's all the way out. Oh. Like that?
Not bad, not bad.
Yep. Potholes.
I was gonna say, a lot of them, huh?
Oh yeah, this is famous for it. Getting the pothole tour.
Traffic not available.
Oh, thank you.
Hard to get all the material.
Corona traffic, helicopter 544, Charlie Hotel is 4 to the west.
So, a little after checklist. Alright, so caravan. Alright, so securing ELT off.
Yeah, it's a perfect day though.
Yep.